Hi, I'm Wes with SHW Offroad. We're a manufacturer out of Kentucky, and we build organization systems for pickup trucks and SUVs. New this year, this is our prototype for our Jeep Gladiator JT, and it's not your ordinary seat delete. We've included full extension drawers, so not only can you get to your stuff through the hatch, but also there's storage underneath it to store more down there. We also offer the back wall here, and this can be purchased and installed separately, that has organization foam to where you can cut it out and put whatever you want to hold in there. It's lockable storage. And then if you have the top cabinet and the seat delete, we have this mid panel that allows you even more storage and to maintain the original storage of the Gladiator. Now this is the prototype. There's going to be a few changes, but overall it's still going to be the same concept. Another system we offer is our ultralight system for SUVs. It's our most popular system, and what makes it different from anything else is instead of using hardware for sliders, it uses UHMW. You can pull the whole drawer out, take it with you wherever you want to go. On vehicles like the JLU that have storage underneath, you still have access to that. It has a passive locking system that once you push it in, it locks, and the heavier weight you have in there, the tighter it's going to be, so you have no rattles at all. If you'd like to find more information about us, you can find us at shwoffroad.com. Use the same name on Facebook or Instagram.